Hey guys, it's Jackie, and in today's video I'm going to do a little eye look that is inspired by my wedding colors. Yeah, so for those of you who do not know, which is probably quite a few of you, I got married this last August, and my wedding colors were yellow, black, and white. So I was just like looking at my wedding flowers, and I was like, you know, I want to do a look inspired by my wedding colors. So yeah, that's what this video is. And yeah, so I guess let's just get into it. So today I want to play with eyeshadows. I have an idea. I would like to make an eye look that is inspired by my wedding colors. So my wedding colors were black, white, and yellow, and this is my bouquet. My mother-in-law made it. The little assistance from me. I wrapped the handle. But yeah, so black, white, and yellow. Let's try to make a look with that. So for this look, I am going to be using the Color Workshop eyeshadows, and I think this lovely little rainbow one is where I'm gonna get my yellow, because I am fairly certain it is the only yellow I even have. And then this is where I'll get my white and black. So yeah, let's play. So I already primed my eyes, got my eyes all ready, and yeah, so I think we're gonna go into this Color Workshop palette. I'm gonna take, not trying to blind you, this tan color, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. So I'm going to take lovely, this is an Ulta Beauty crease brush, and I'm going to, wow, okay, Fallout City. Okay, so yes, we're going to use this as a transition. You know what? I'm actually going to take these shadow shields, sorry, and I'm going to use this to kind of just make it a sharper edge. So there's that. All right, so we did our transition shade. Okay, so there's that. We are going to go into this smoky, like smoke-like palette, and we're going to go into the crease with this gray color. It's just gonna grab the other Ulta Beauty crease brush. It's a little smaller than the first one we used, so we'll go into the crease with that. Okay, so now that we got that all in the crease, I'm just gonna use this crease brush. We're gonna go into the black. We're gonna do the outer corner and a little into the crease, mostly the outer corner. Really wanna make that black, not gray. We really want it to be black, which shouldn't be a problem with this. Holy moly. Okay, so there is that. I want to do a cut crease. So I'm going to take this little brush. I like to use this for cut creases and concealers and such. I'm going to take my Shape Tape. I'm just going to put a little on the brush. Okay, so now that we have that laid down, I'm going to go into the yellow, and I'm actually going to use a flat brush and wet it because I really want that yellow to stand out. So there's the yellow. I feel like a bumblebee right now. But we ain't done yet. No, no. See if I could take that transition color we used and kind of diffuse the edges a little bit so they're not as bam. Know what I mean? Okay, let's take off these little sticky things so we can do the bottom. Now. Oh yeah, look at those nice crisp lines. I like it. So the bottom, we're going to use this. We're gonna go along the bottom with it with a clean brush. Clean, I don't really, you know what? I'm gonna use a slightly angled brush. We're gonna use that. Is that white? Actually, it looks kind of blue. So I'm gonna try a little layer and see. You know what? We're gonna wet the brush. Why not? Okay, so scratch that. I'm gonna use a white eyeliner instead. Sure, it's cleaned, nice and fresh white. All right, now let's go in. There we go. That's white. We'll use this. Thinking of possibly creating a line under the black on both sides so it kind of just, you know, connects to each other in a way. Kind of separate the lashes now because they're all clumpy from the white eyeliner. Okay, we're also going to put a little of the white eyeliner on my finger and just kind of run it along the brow bone. I feel like it's not white enough, but I mean, how much whiter can it go? So I'm gonna go into this white in the LA Color Eyeshadow Nude palette just to kind of make the bottom more white. I feel like it's not quite white. And so I'm going to go in with this little liner brush. I'm going to wet it because I want it to be ultimate pigment. Just kind of stamping it over, not dragging, just stamping. Okay, so now we got to do some eyeliner on the top, which of course I'm going to use my E.L.F. Kind of line that white. I don't know why, just felt like doing it. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on lashes and I'll be back. Okay, so I did my highlight as well. Put some of the highlight on the inner corner. And yeah, put on my lip color, which is CoverGirl Melting Pout Current Nude. And I also put a little in the middle. I put this Color Icon by Wet n Wild. And this is Libra. It's sparkly pink. Just to give my lips a little extra something. Something, something, something. Anyway, so yes, this is my look inspired by, come here, my wedding. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was fun. I had fun doing this. So yes, if you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. You're gonna miss out on all the fun if you don't subscribe. So yes, please subscribe. Hit the little bell to become part of the notification nation. And don't forget to hop on over to my Facebook page, Beauty Obsessions with Jackie, where I have past looks, sneak peeks at future looks. And once I get enough people, I'm going to do lives on there. So yeah, the link is in the description box all the way at the bottom. So yeah, go check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I hope you also enjoy your day. Bye.